Okay, I got this old Ariens snowblower fired up and running. It's got a new carb on it. I hooked the fuel tank back up, new fuel line. Seems like it needs a little bit of choke when you first start it. Turn the key to run. There we go. That's it. Runs good. Yeah, so got it running. I got to put the heater box back on the chute lever still. But just want to make sure it would run. Yeah, so I put a new Hipa carb on it. This thing was like 17 or 18 bucks off of Amazon. It seems to run really well. Doesn't leak at all. I adjusted it from its original setting. It was a turn and a quarter out. I adjusted to a turn and a half, and I ended up back at a turn and a quarter. And then idle mixture screw, I left it a turn and a quarter out. That seemed to work all right. I had to turn the idle speed screw in quite a bit. I didn't want it to idle so low when you turn the throttle down. But I ran new fuel line and cleaned up the tank a little bit. It already had a shut off on it. It seems to work well. And the electric start works. I just didn't feel like plugging it in right now. The drive system works awesome. All the gears work, well, not really gears, just speeds and reverse. All those work really well. The friction plate and the drive wheel are in really good shape. I cleaned them off and lubed everything. The auger turns on and off really well. The belts seem okay. I'll probably replace them though before next year. I just got to put the chute lever back on, the heater box. I had to monkey with the throttle cable. I lubed it up real good, and then I noticed when it was running, this would kind of creep back on me, and it would kind of wouldn't be at full throttle. You have to keep pushing it forward. So what I did was I just adjusted this guy. I just pulled the cable back more until it really couldn't pull forward anymore, or pull forward. So now when that's on full throttle, it just stays at full throttle. It doesn't come back anymore. That was the only annoying thing I found on it once I got it running. So I seem to have solved that. It's got a new plug, it's got fresh oil. Transmission was all lubed up. I got a new belt cover for it. Replaced some missing parts on it. I had a missing wing nut. Oh look, it's getting loose. I'll have to check that, eh? I greased the auger tines. Took the shear pins out, greased those. I just got to change the gearbox oil on that. Tires hold air. Doesn't leak any oil, doesn't leak any fuel. Starts right up. The primer button works. It seems like it doesn't really smoke hardly at all. Just a little bit when you first put it to full throttle or let off. Might be the valves or something. The valve guides or seats or something, I don't know. I don't know how that works on a flathead. But it doesn't smoke at all when you're full throttle or idling. So, yeah, pretty cool for 50 years old. So yeah, got that throttle issue fixed, and works good. So that's it for now. See ya.